Indian Geography Lesson 8. Let's get started. Alright, so in this lesson, we will be learning about the river systems of India. So, as you know, there are two types of river system in India, namely the Himalayan river and the peninsular rivers. So, let's see what are Himalayan rivers and what are peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers in India are those rivers that originate in Himalayan mountain range. These rivers are characterized by their large size and perennial flow. The rivers are prone to flooding during monsoon season due to heavy rainfall and snowmelt. They carry a significant amount of sediment from the erosion which contribute to the formation of fertile alluvium plains. So all the Himalayan rivers originate from Himalaya. They are larger in size and perennial flow. What does perennial means? Continuous flow of water. They don't get dried up. Okay? Continuously water will flow through them, and sometimes, especially during monsoon season, due to heavy rainfall and snow melt, floods may also occur in these rivers. Also, this river forms the fertile alluvium plains because they bring with them the sediments, the fertile sediments from Himalayas. Okay. Next, we have peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers are generally originate from Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats, or Central Highland of Deccan Plateau. These rivers have relatively shorter and shallower course compared to Himalayan rivers. They are primarily rain-fed and thus exhibit seasonal flow with reduced flow or even drying up during dry season. They carry less sediment compared to Himalayan rivers, resulting in less fertile alluvium plains. Right, so they originate from Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats, Central Highlands, and the main source of this river are rain. Alright, so they are seasonal rivers. That means in dry season, during summers especially, they get dried up. There is no chance of flooding in these rivers. They are shallower and they result in less fertile alluvium plains. So that was the main difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Alright. Himalayan rivers. Major Himalayan rivers are Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. So these are the major Himalayan rivers. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. Ecological and cultural importance of Himalayan rivers. Alright, so let's see. The sediment-rich waters of Himalayan river support extensive agriculture in the Indo-Gangetic plains. So you already know that Himalayan rivers carry a significant amount of sediment, which contribute to the formation of fertile alluvial plains, which support extensive agriculture. All right. Rivers like Ganga hold immense religious and cultural significance in India, being considered sacred by millions of Hindus. So Ganga is very important and hold immense religious and cultural significance. The river ecosystem support a wide range of biodiversity, including many species of fish, birds, and other wildlife. So the Himalayan rivers also support the wide range of biodiversity. All right. Now we will be learning about the individual Himalayan rivers. So Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. So now we will learn about the Indus river system. The Indus River originates in Tibet Plateau near Lake Mansarovar close to Mount Kailash. Originate from Tibet, from Mount Kailash, close to Mount Kailash. The river enters India in Ladakh region of Jammu Kashmir and flows through the region of Leh and Skardu, then enters into Pakistan and flows into the Arabian Sea near Karachi. Alright. So enters from Tibet, enters India through Ladakh region, flows in Leh and Skardu, and then it goes into Pakistan and falls in the Arabian Sea finally. The Indus River is approximately 3,180 kilometers long. Important. In ancient times, it was known as Sindhu River, and it has been a central feature in cultural and economic development of the region. The river is historically significant as the cradle of Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest urban culture. So you might have studied about the Indus Valley civilization in history, and the name Indus Valley civilization, the Indus, is derived from this river, Indus River. So historically also this river is very important. Alright, so now we'll see major tributaries of Indus River. So basically we have five major tributaries of Indus River. So let's consider this as Indus River. So the five major tributaries of Indus River are Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Byas, and Satluj. So as you can see, the Jhelum River comes to Chenab, Ravi River comes to Chenab, and then Chenab goes to Indus River. And Beas River goes into Satluj, and Satluj goes into Chenab, and then Chenab goes into Indus. So that is how the rivers goes into Chenab River, and then Chenab goes into Indus, and this all five rivers goes into Indus rivers, and then this Indus rivers flows into Arabian Sea. So these are the major five tributaries of Indus River. Okay. Major tributaries of Indus rivers you already know now: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. So let's see. Jhelum River, it originates in Verinag Spring in Jammu Kashmir, flows through the Kashmir Valley and enters Pakistan where it joins Chenab River. Chenab River originate from confluence of Chandra and Bhaga River in Himachal Pradesh, flows through Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab in India, and then enters Pakistan. Ravi River originates near Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh, flows through Punjab in India and Pakistan before joining Chenab River. Beas River originates from Beas Kund near Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh, India, flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab in India, joining the Satluj River. You see, the Beas rivers goes into Satluj River, and then Satluj goes into Chenab River. All right. Satluj River originates near Mount Kailash in Tibet, flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and then into Pakistan where it joins the Chenab River. So these five rivers are Indian rivers. It flows and goes into Indus River, and Indus rivers goes into Arabian Sea. All right, that is very important. All right, so next we have Indus Water Treaty. This is very important. The Indus Water Treaty, signed in 1960 between India and Pakistan, is key agreement that regulate the use of Indus water according to the treaty. Five tributaries of Indus rivers, the Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. These five rivers are Indian rivers, and then these rivers goes into Indus. So that's why this treaty was made, called Indus Water Treaty. So, according to this treaty, eastern rivers are allocated to India for exclusive use. So, eastern rivers Ravi, Beas, Satluj allocated to India for exclusive use, and western rivers, that is Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab, allocated to Pakistan, with some provision of for India use for domestic and non-consumptive needs and limited irrigation and hydropower. So that was the Indus Water Treaty. Eastern rivers are allocated to India and western rivers are allocated to Pakistan. So that was about the Indus River system, and in our next video we will cover other rivers, Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers, all the rivers, because this video is getting very long. Alright, so that was all about this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.